We talked about ties last time, so this is still review. Same note, exactly same place, same pitch. Then this thing is called a tie. The tie that men wear on their shirts. It prolongs. Let it sound for the value of both notes. Just hold it down and let it sound out. 2 more beats. That's what a tie does. On the other hand, a slur, it's a curved line, also looking like a tie, but it's more than 2 notes. But actually, it can be also just between 2 notes. If I do like that, let me color it in a different color so I can refer to it. If I do this blue line between this note and this note only, this blue line is still called a slur because the 2 notes are not the same note. Can I draw a slur between this note and that note? Yes. That purple line is also called a slur. What does a slur mean? You're playing smoothly. Here to here, that's a slur. And then from the C to the D to the D, it's a slur. Most often for expression, we do a slur with a diminuendo, meaning getting the second note softer. It sounds better to do a slur of 2 notes than like that. So when you see a slur line, automatically do the second note softer. But that's the difference between slur and tie. So slur can be over more than just 2 notes, 3 notes, 4 notes, 5 notes, a whole bunch.
Question.
Yes.
Is the tie always look like a happy face?
No. Sometimes it's a sad eyebrows.
Dr. Dahl,
Yes.
when you have a slur with 3 or 4 notes, does it mean you just go softer and softer and softer as the note as you go?
No. What I said about softer is only applying to the 2 note slurs.
What happens when you have 3 or 4?
It's called a legato line. So some books call this a slur line, but when it starts to be 4 notes, 5 notes, 6 notes, bars after bar, and you have this big line, it's called legato line or phrase line. So that's what we're getting to next.
So you don't need to play the following notes softer. You just go smoothly.
You just walk smoothly, you play smoothly. On violin, it means 1 bow. So this is the next idea. That's exactly your weighing me into the next slide. It's a phrase. So if I draw this is a phrase. And I take another color so you can see. And this is another phrase. It's a musical thought. So we use the slur symbol. So if I play 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. Let's use another color for the lower one. This musical thought does not stop until there. So that's 1 phrase.
Thank you.
2 different songs, but 1 phrase. When I play this one, notice what I do between the blue and the red phrase. 2, 3, rest. 2, 3, rest. For you, there's a rest. But sometimes they can even write a quarter, what do you call, whole note. Let's say it was written as a whole note, this note, no rest. I would still play 2, 3, 4, lift. I lift it. I cut the sound right before beginning this note on the second phrase. That's what phrasing is.